In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with NBKC Bank. If getting your bank account set up digitally seems intimidating, don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step, making the process simple and stress-free. First, let's head over to NBKC's website. Once you're there, look for the Enroll link, which you'll find just beneath the login section on their homepage. Whether you're setting up a personal or business account, make sure to select the appropriate option here to begin your journey into online banking. Next, you'll need to enter a few personal details. These are crucial for confirming your identity. Have your social security number ready. You'll also need to input your last name, date of birth, and your zip code. These details help NBKC verify that it's indeed you setting up this account. At this point, you'll also create your desired login ID or username. Choose something memorable yet secure. Once you've provided your details, NBKC will send a secure access code to you. You might receive this code via SMS or a phone call, so keep your device handy. The secure access code is a one-time code designed to ensure that the person setting up the account is really you. Enter this code into the prompted field on the website to move forward. Now comes the time to set up your password. This is the gateway to your online banking, so choose a password that's both strong and something you'll remember. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, ensuring your account remains secure. At this point, you'll encounter NBKC's various agreements and terms of service. It's important to take the time to read through these disclosures and terms thoroughly. They outline the full conditions and your responsibilities regarding your online banking experience. Once you're comfortable and agree with everything outlined, accept the terms to proceed, and there you have it. With those steps, you've set up your online banking with NBKC. This digital access allows you to manage your finances with greater ease and security. Remember, setting up online banking is a step towards more convenient money management, placing all the banking tools you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With your new NBKC online banking account ready to go, you're all set to explore its features and benefits. Don't hesitate to reach out to NBKC's customer support if you run into any snags or if you have further questions about using their online services. Enjoy the convenience that comes with managing your finances online.